guys, this is Dirt and Diesel. Me and Tommy are at a bit of a loose end today, so we thought we'd have a tinker around with this old bird and see if we can't tartar up a bit. Stay tuned. Have you got one? Let's give it a whirl.
Let him do all the work.
We've got all the idea and no gear.
I don't think we've got that much of an idea, have we?
Speak for yourself, mate. That's a good fit, that.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Easy.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Remember it?
Churchill.
Yeah. The nodding dog. It's like a dumping ground after you do a job, isn't it?
Yeah. I do like to, after every now and then, just have a bit of a clear out. To be honest, that's all I end up doing here. What do you see on this side?
Hey? You fool me.
Yeah, you're right.
So we won't say him again, that side.
Say him again.
Bumpy dump announcements, I got that in my head.
See, you might throw these away, these boxes, but I use them for keeping the nuts and bolts in for specific parts of the thing. So this is for the bonnet and tin work. Got some other stuff for the injector pump. Actually quite handy.
He's just too lazy to chuck them out, really.
Yeah, for us to turn the camera up there, you'll see a pile of them.
What's something?
You go, it's just too lazy. Bump announcements.
Announcements. Got it in my head, like. Oh, stop.
Announcements.
I've got your hand actions in it as well, you know, when you're like.
So,
Still got the battery holder in here.
hey,
Still got the battery holder in here.
that was new from the factory. That was.
Box of eggs.
Hey, it's a box of eggs.
I don't think they'll do, Tom.
Hmm.
They rounded off even. They're that rusty, they just corroded away.
Have they got a nut head on? Like a
No.
They just screw.
Yeah.
You see if they have.
The centre's rusted out. They're like.
I've got these sockets here that'll bite onto rounded off
Right.
things. Try it.
No other way round.
Try that little one there. Don't know if it's quite small enough, but it like bites onto a head
What do you put it?
on a ratchet. Just try it, see if it fits first.
Like a 13. Half.
They look pretty rotten to me.
Yeah.
I'd go with them bitey sockets.
Will they fit?
They should be. They're pretty good once they bite.
Are they?
Yeah.
Where's the bar? Oh, you've got it.
If I can, I'll use that for cracking any nuts. I'll use that for cracking them off, and then the other for speed.
I want something to stand on.
I just bit the bonnet off.
Rip it up. We're rough here.
Listen.
I'm up.
You better not be. Oh. See what you mean. We'll try a smaller size. Hang on, which way are we? That's it.
Was it on?
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I rotted through. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but these got these sockets that have like a bitey end in them, so as you turn it grips onto rotten heads.
They're good, aren't they?
Pretty good.
I've never seen them before.
That's what they look like. I'll try and get you in the light there. So they've got these like teeth inside. And if you've got a rotten head, or rounded head, which are pretty good for. Yeah. Go on, do you want to carry on with them? I'm going to get some WD-40.
Yeah.
WD-40.
Just have a coat on. I'm getting sweat on. gone? I'm terrible once I put something down, I can't find it. What have I done with it? Bugger. No. I don't know. It's here. I just want to be able to take them off. Take this off there and there instead
Is
of
that what it does? Yeah.
before.
Yeah. No, you're
Because
right.
you can't get on them like.
Yeah, you're right, you're right.
Never shuts the door, does he, eh? Is he born in a barn? It's better. Woo-hoo-hoo. Tell you what, I had to take my coat off just. You feel like you can't work in him, you feel like Michelin man, you can't move. You're not beating me, it's the last damn one. Sheared it off. Oh well. Have to get that out somehow. Should be off now though. Should. Yeah boy!
Done it?
Yeah. One of them sheared off, there's nothing I can
That's
do.
alright. Yeah, it's alright.
We'll get it out, won't we?
I'd rather the panels come off than save the bolts. I can
Yeah.
replace the bolts.
I'll go up here with this, eh?
Nice one.
Huh?
Starting to get bare now. Bare damage.
Bare damage. Splanage.
Do you think that'd go now?
Should lift.
Right, shall we go side each?
Yeah, let's do that. Try not to stand on the dog.
Still feel like we're caught on something. Oh no.
Does it look alright from the top?
Yeah, I think it's just like a tight fit at the side of the
Oh,
radiator.
hold up, it's this earth wire here.
Have I got it from this side here?
Should be good at that.
What's that? Span.
Bollocks,
Go on,
it's
I've got
the
it. I've got it if you want to.
Just sure.
Yeah, I've got it.
I'm gonna knock these out. Don't move. They are good, them sockets, aren't they?
Yeah.
They'll either undo it or round them off, but I'll get them off. Hey, Polly, alright?
Hiya.
Right, if we lift up, will it come... Oh no, it can't, still can't come.
No, it's past it.
Is it?
Yeah, just sprag it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, fair enough.
Let me
I've kind of
just
got
balance it on something. Probably not the radiator.
No, what? Get us going. You stand him up.
Anything? Yeah.
Heavy blood for what it is, isn't it?
It's a bit of a knob, isn't it?
Yeah.
To you.
Shame about Chuckle Brothers, wasn't it?
Yeah. What, been shit?
No, they died, didn't they?
Oh, both of them.
I think, well, old Barry's gone, I think. Oh, what are we going to do, mate?
Go. You can go that way a bit more. Hey. It's tight on space around here. There we go. Gosh, look at that. It's a good 2 days.
No expense spared on this tractor.
Once a proper end on like that. Obviously, that kind of goes without saying, but.
Yeah.
Just put it back on, because if it ain't broke. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'd use that at some point.
Yeah. Got an inch or two on there.
Got some good grinding on it.
Yeah.
Someone's just picked that up and thought, that'll do.
Yeah. Ah, no.
You know when something's like just the right size? Do you reckon it was a full size disc and they like cut it down?
He's just been using it, hasn't he? Been
Like-
grinding on some box section until it fits. And goes under the bonnet.
Do anything other than do the right job.
We've got room to talk.
Yeah, that voice is still.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah. Do you ever feel daft bending over in overalls? Because it like pulls on your neck.
Yeah. These are too small as well.
Because you bend down and you go, ooh.
Yeah. I've had these since I was like 15, right? And so when I go for have a pee in them, I'm like in this position because they like pull down on your neck. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Should have took these off first.
Yeah. Instead of balling the bonnet off around them and then taking them off after. We make sense, don't we?
Yeah, we've done it all backwards.
It's coming up. It's coming up.
Yep.
It's there.
Right, that'll do on the front end.
Yeah.
Right. Electrics. Look at that bee stuck on there. Wasp stuck on there.
Oh yeah, he splattered himself, hasn't he?
Splamage. Where is it? There.
That cow shit just stuck on there.
Where?
On the wing.
I was like, oh yeah.
Pretty good wings, aren't they? They've rotted through a bit there, but they're not bad, are they?
They're not too bad, are they?
There's still life in them
Yeah, they'll come back.
for an old girl.
Look at them biscuits there.
Yes, mate.
Oh, they're from the trip.
Oh, a bit of that. Look at that one. That looks like a green burger patty. Oh, Lucozade. Some more Lucozade.
Oh, bloody hell, Tom. There's engine oil in there. Oh. I've just, how to get legs down. Like that.
That's the age-old question, Joe.
I've just knocked the camera. I can't find them.
I just put them back in the box. Can't find the grippy things.
Oh, they're here.
Ah. Yes, I do remember putting them there now. What?
It's like the first time I've done that.
Bowling alley.
I don't want to break the case for this. It's in a proper case, isn't it? Where have the other ones gone?
Here, no, two here.
What do you want?
And
That
small,
side?
that one, I think.
Give him a whirl. You want the bar?
One small one.
The bar.
He's very nice.
Very nice. What will I do?
Go even smaller still, maybe.
God, there's a lot of these, isn't there?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Pull a plough with these wings,
Tell you what, they are rusted, aren't they?
aren't they?
Don't know if they'll... I'll try again. I don't know if they'll undo.
Oh, I can't get squirt any juice on them.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
We'll make sure that's on. We tap it with our little lamp.
Yeah.
There's one about.
Yeah, just tap it with this pin.
Yeah. That's up, isn't it? That way. I need it rearranging. Need it about there.
Torch has had some abuse today.
Someone's fell off.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's not. It bloody will be.
Bloody well be something. Ah, that way.
Bit of rust dropped in my mouth then.
How does it taste?
Rusty.
I've heard you were short of iron.
Good one. Ooh. Yes, that's gone.
I like that noise.
Yeah.
And the feel through the bar, you know, you've got
The
it. haven't you?
vibration, yeah.
Like, crunk.
My arms raking. Being up with them.
Arms are aching, arms are shaking. You better lose yourself.
Mom's spaghetti.
Yeah. It's the only bit I know that song. There you go. Oh, yeah, yeah. Tight, aren't they?
You can see him from there. Oh, achy arms.
Achy, breaky
Not bad,
arms.
are they, them grippy
No,
things?
they're very good. The old Yorkshire gripper saved the day.
I tell you what, bugger for losing things. Something better. Ooh, light. Oh, you got it. That's even better, actually. Wings box set. I might fry it on with pen.
Wings box, you got barbecue.
Ooh, gravy.
Bit of graft, aren't they? Bloody wings. Getting them though.
Wings.
How good are the wings at Hickory's?
Ooh,
They come with the sesame seeds on.
Yeah,
oh my
proper good.
God.
Got another one there for you, mate. No, that's bonnet.
Oh. Which one was it? It was that one.
If only someone had written on what it says.
Yeah, I'd know what it was for then, eh? Is that the one?
No.
No?
Isn't it that one with the big flat bit on?
Yeah. Goes in the wings, yeah.
Bit like his head.
We're just winging this job.
We're on a wing and a prayer. Got no more.
That was a bird, it sounded like a fart.
I thought it was a fart that sounded like a bird.
Sunshine.
You
seen that chicken run meme? Where it's like Liam Gallagher's there like, said maybe, and then you've got the chicken underneath saying, I don't want to be a pie, I don't like gravy. I'll have to send it.
Just taking this wing off, and it didn't look too bad apart from this hole here, but where the water must be sitting under the side of the cab, it looks pretty bad, worse than I thought. So it's going to need a bit of attention.
TLC.
What do you think, Josh?
Yeah, I think it's seen better days, really.
I think it's seen some wet days. Look at that. Wasn't expecting that, because that doesn't look too bad there.
Yeah, the wings itself are alright.
I think this strip here is where water must lie in between the cab there and the wing. You see, this is part of the problem with the fixing up old tractors. You don't know what someone's done before you.
Farmers for you, this. Look at that.
Sunroof is glued on. They've glued the sunroof down. They must have only used this thing in the winter. Bloody hell. It's a mess up here.
It is a bit of a state, isn't it? Some planes, like some flat planes. Is it on time lapse?
I think it will be, yeah.
You're right.
This is Ruscombe Street, isn't it? You got it?
Yeah.
What a Ruscombe.
Yeah. You know what I might be able to do is take that foam inside off. It's a painting, put it back on, right? Just leave it on.
No, it's going to...
It's knackered, that, isn't it? How did you come off?
Hey, I'm surprised it ain't been raining. I didn't know it's straight through.
I know. Was that around the ceiling?
Ah, the sunroof's been over it though, hasn't it?
Ripped it.
Yeah, I've ripped it a bit.
I feel like it's going to get replaced in it. I'll keep it to one side just in case.
Yeah.
You can't get it. But I imagine you can.
Yeah, apart from the holes in it, it's not too bad. Which is the most. But, I mean,
Apart from it, there's nothing left.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
The gaps of air are pretty good, aren't they?
It's ventilation, isn't it? You know, it's
Speed holes. It's only Simpson called.
yeah. Nothing this can't be done, is it? We'll get a new David Brown sticker for the top.
I think we need a new David Brown, don't we?
Yeah. Get a good tractor before we worry about the sticker.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I can get decals set from a decal set. Is it decals or decals?
I always say decals, but I don't know.
I don't say decals, but
Because it's decoration, isn't it?
yeah.
Christmas decks.
At least the cows off it now, anyway.
Nothing left of it now when you look at it.
Nothing left of this. Seriously, I've got to.
Just round the edge, isn't it?
And yeah, that bit's alright.
Yeah.
But
Considering,
I know.
because it's not had a good home, has it?
No, let's turn it round for the camera. See, like there,
Yeah.
absolutely nothing there.
This part here, paint's good still.
Up against that keyboard.
Oh yeah. Plays a two. You just named two of the most randomest things
What?
to have in a workshop.
What?
I said, should we go and buy that dog bed? He said, no, we'll put it by the keyboard. Put it in a workshop or a bloody music shop.
That's it, buy the washing machine over there. Put it near that piano.
Sorted.
Right, shall we call it a night tonight?
Yeah.
There's not much more we can do on. Well, there is, but I'm hungry. He's hungry. It's been a bit of a random video, but
Bit good, eh?
yeah,
Something different.
yeah.
Cracking a few nuts.
And working on the tractor.
Yeah.
Bit
of barring.
So till next time.
Cheerio.
See you later.
I think I was a bit like.
Flumpy McGee on the arms.
Flumpy McGee.
I don't know where I get it from.
Flumpy McGee on the arms.
Flumpy McGee.